Hello and welcome back to Blackpool from Upside Down Head Travels. So down near the old police station again today. Just have a bit of a catch up to see what's been done in the last 7 days. I'm starting the video off today just off of Central Drive. So quite a lot of side streets down here where unfortunately through no fault of their own the standard of living is among some of the lowest in the country. So for those who know Blackpool, down by the old Brunswick Work Events Club, which I believe closed down quite a few years back, just off Chapel Street. So reports, they've been published many times, said unfortunately some of the streets in this area have got some of the lowest life expectancy in the whole of England, mainly down to cost of living crisis and things like that, and not ideal. So I'm hoping that when they do the major £300 million plus development on the central car park area, that the residents of this area are going to see a lot of benefit, be it work or just major regeneration. Because I really hope that they don't spend all this money doing this place up, well, just off this place up for tourists. Please, let's hope that they do some of the work redeveloping some of these areas. So I've just walked off Kent Road, which leads from Chapel Street down towards the new Brunswick, up past the new Blackpool Central multi-storey car park, which opened just last year. Quite an imposing building, that one. And then under the bridge that goes towards the old police station and courts. So I'll do a little wander around the ground floor area, see if there's been any developments, and then I'll have a bob on the bridge for an overview like I have been doing. So what seems to have happened in the last week, a lot of the guys that have been working clearing the courthouse buildings, I think they might have done their bit for the week, doing the major clearing out. But now we've got Envirocall Limited. So when I was doing my walk rounds before it even all started, I had mentioned that this building was full of asbestos, and the concrete that was unsafe for buildings anymore. So it looks like they have now boarded up quite a lot of the windows that they'd opened for clearing. That's what we can see just through the tree line. They've now got what looks like green tarp and temporary coverings with pipes hanging out to the windows. So that will be for the removal of the asbestos. So if any of you have had asbestos removals been done at home, you'll know that it needs to be done in a safe manner. So the people that will be taking all that out now will be fully suited, and then also that the wind conditions have got to be right as well. Because asbestos is a major nasty. Let's see if there's been any more work below the car park. Looks like nothing else has been done in that. I'll have a look around the other side. But as you can imagine, loads and loads of danger signs. So it's not just for the debris that could fall off the building, it's also, say, the asbestos and other chemicals that as soon as you start disturbing them are not good for your health. So we wander down Bonnie Street. So I believe this week down here was the site of the second fire in Blackpool. No doubt a lot of people saw the videos posted on the Strand Hotel that went up in flames earlier this week. I wasn't able to catch that one due to work commitments, but there was enough people there to capture that. So it looks like there's no more work being done in the old car park area. But yeah, that looks like quite a major blaze. So much so that I believe that they are actually going to need to demolish that building. Call me sceptical, but it seems to be if there's an empty hotel that's not being bought, or I should say not being redeveloped, there seems to be the case for fires. And from the ones that we've lost over the years, they've never actually returned to the former glory. They've all turned into car parks. A few along the hotel, the Grand Hotel that used to be on the corner of Station Road. So unfortunately I'm still waiting for a response from the company that's doing the demolition, so I'm going to contact them again this week or over the weekend to see if I can get any time stamps for when the big stuff comes up. I am still hoping that they actually save some of this this artwork. I actually think it's more than just graffiti. There's a lot of skill goes into this. There's a lot of places around the world where buildings are actually paid people to come and do stuff like this. So I hope they actually keep some of these slabs. Just for part of the history of Blackpool. So just on the other side of the car park now. It looks like there's not a lot going on the ground level. So it seems like the majority of this week has been looking at removal, or getting ready for, and the removal of the asbestos. So the skips are just full of all sorts of, it looks like carpets really. And if you can see that with the sun just behind. So while it is quite quiet, have another look around some of the areas that what the police used to use. So police notice no parking access required at all times. Unauthorised vehicles will be removed. So this looks like this might have been the back entrance for some of the police vans. So there was an entrance back on Bonny Street, but I'm thinking maybe this was the ones where the people got transferred in and out of court, because it is the part that goes into the back of courthouses rather than the police station. So I'm going to leave you here on this one. And then we'll catch you all in about a week for an update on the dropping of the police station and the regeneration, see if there's any movement on dates and other things that are happening, and maybe see if we've got some dates on when the old joke shop on Central Drive is going to start to be demolished as well, because that's part of this part of the project. So I'm going to say bye for now from Blackpool. Speak to you all very soon. Look after yourselves, look after your families, live life, love life, and bye for now.